Okay, so we've done prime factor trees and we've now done highest common factor, and this is where we got to. But I've changed the heading. I've changed the heading to lowest common multiple. Now a multiple is a number that's in the times table of your value. So if I had multiples of 3, I'd have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. They're numbers that are in the 3 times table. So I'm basically asking for the lowest multiple that is both in the 80 times table and the 60 times table. Now you could write out the 80 times table and the 60 times table and find out where they meet, but again that's a little bit big. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the fact we know our prime factors. Now you can see I've highlighted the ones that are the same in both number, and your rule for the lowest common multiple is you multiply the whole of one number. So let me say I'm going to multiply the whole of 80 by the only prime factors that are not highlighted. So in my case, my prime factor that's not highlighted is 3. So my lowest common multiple will be 80 times 3. But I didn't have to choose 80 as my number. I could have chose 60 as my number, and therefore my numbers in my prime factors that are not highlighted are 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So therefore I'm going to multiply 60 by 4. And if I do that, it doesn't matter that the fact I used 80 for one of my numbers or 60 as my other number, because 80 times 3 is 240 and 60 times 4 is 240. So my lowest common multiple is 240. Okay, so that's how I do it. So I multiplied the whole of one number by the bits that were not highlighted from the other one. Hope that helps.